Are you a business owner looking for means to reach out to thousands of customers through WhatsApp? Well, today I will share with you how to reach out to these customers securely and safely without getting banned. You get the possibility to send thousands of messages, be it for promotion or for events or seasonal wishes. So let's configure that together. Okay, yeah, I'm presently in my dashboard, Geskap dashboard. So I will show you guys how you can broadcast a message on WhatsApp. So you want to come here on broadcast message. So after clicking on broadcast message, this is where it has gotten me to. As you guys can see, these are the different broadcast messages I did. You can see live TikTok. This is maybe when I want to tell my customers that I'll be on live on TikTok. And now I'll show you how to create a broadcast message from scratch. You just go to new. When you're on new, then I'll come over here, specify the name of the broadcast, so the event, which event I'm about to talk about, yes. And then here in the message, when I say hello, I specify the name of the person or in the broadcast message. Then I can choose either also to show maybe the phone number or location or email of the customers. Then there is a possibility also to add the flyer, or I can just download the flyer and put it in here if I want to broadcast the message, maybe announcing like happy new month, showing the flyer in it. Then now I'll maybe say hello with the name of the customer. Then I'll say thank you for contacting us. Thank you for contacting us. Okay, so yeah, I'll just specify the numbers like this. So these are the different numbers we send the message to. We'll just click on send, then wait for it to load. Okay, it's creating the message. The message has been created. Let's just, okay, as you can see, it has sent to all the customers, to all the numbers I just previously sent the message to. Now